Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select whether you would like to sort your habits by name or by custom on the Done application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the settings icon down below, which is the first option. Now scroll down to the habits section. Then as you can see, there is a sort habits by button, and tap on it, and now you can select from two options whether you would like to sort your habits by name or custom. Tap on the relevant one, and then you should press the button set order. So now long press on a habit and drag it into your drag it to reorder your list. If you are done with ordering your habits, all you have to do is tapping on the save changes button at the bottom of the screen. So now if you go back to the previous page, you will see that your habits have been updated. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.